Welcome to Anubhav Trainings here. Unlike purchase requisitions, which are internal requests in your company, the purchase order is a document addressed to a vendor.
This request form is delivered from the purchasing company to a defined vendor to provide certain products, goods, or services in a specified quantity and on a specific delivery date. When you initiate the creation of a purchase order, you can refer to the previously created purchase requisition. In this video, we'll walk through both creating and displaying a purchase order in SAP S/4HANA. To create a purchase order, you can follow this application menu path. You can select one of the following possible options to create a purchase order. If you know both the vendor from whom you're buying the material and the plant for which you're performing the goods provisioning, you use this transaction. If a purchase requisition exists, you can derive your purchase order from an existing purchase requisition. In the best case, the purchase requisition already contains all the necessary information, so you can convert the purchase requisition into a purchase order automatically via this transaction. There's also another option to create or display an extended purchase order. Let's consider an example of how to create a purchase order when using the vendor supplying plant known option. Double-click transaction ME21N to open the Create Purchase Order screen, as shown here. Enter the vendor number of the supplier from which you want to order the items shown in the lines at the bottom of the screen. The document date is pre-populated by the current date. On the Org Data tab, choose the plant to be provisioned, purchase org, purchase group, and company code. The other fields aren't required but should be filled in as well, if applicable. At the bottom of the screen, enter the item number, material, PO quantity, and net price. After you've filled in all the required entry fields, click Save. The material group, purchase order unit of measure, OUN, and order price unit, OPU, fields will be populated automatically after you save the purchase order. To see a purchase order, click on ME23N, display from the application menu path. In the standard PO screen that appears, as in the purchase requisition example, choose this path from the menu bar, or use the Shift F5 shortcut. In the Select Document screen, enter the purchase order number, and then click Other Document. In the lower part of this figure, you can see all the details of a purchase order by going through different tabs such as Material Data, Quantities and Weights, Delivery Schedule, Invoice, Delivery Address, and so on. The corresponding SAP Fiori app is called Create Purchase Order Advanced, ME21N. It's visually and functionally the same as the SAP GUI transaction.
Learn SAP from industry experts. Enroll today. Contact at anubhavtrainings.com. Like, share, and subscribe.